once you've got the unit powered, you see power's on, lights are on. You've gone through the preheat stage. The unit is warmed up enough that your fuel will be warm, your air will be warm. What you're going to do is turn the pump switch on. When you turn the pump switch on, you'll notice your pump pressure will come up, be anywhere from 20 to 35 psi, depending on what you have connected. Once your pump pressure is stable, then you can go ahead to the next stage and put your water heater switch on. If this is not, if the pump pressure isn't stable, then you'll have to let the pump run until you bleed all the air out. Sometimes if you got all the ground thaw hose hooked up out the back, you will have to disconnect it and hook kind of one at a time to bleed the air out quicker. Now you got all your air bled out. What you're gonna do, turn down here, flip your water heater switch on. As soon as you flip your water heater switch on, you'll notice your active stat will come online and these green lights will come online. If nothing comes, if any of these lights are off, the bottom two should be off for normal operation. If any of the top 6 are off, there's an issue with some of the sensors, and you'll have to troubleshoot that to get that figured out before the burner will fire. You see all the lights are on here. All the lights come on, you'll see on your burner here, you see the pump pressure gauge come up. It's pre-purged for about 10 seconds and then kick in. You can see the needle just went up to 200 psi. This is 400. For check pump pressure, check the serial plate on the side of the unit. All the serial plates for the different units will state the pump pressure that the unit should be running at a standard elevation. So that's up to 2,000 feet. This unit here is a 400. That's why the pressure is 200. Now that you have the burner running, starting to heat up, and you're thawing ground or curing and you want to use the flow reverser, all you have to do is flip the switch on. You see your timer, your power light will come on, and then your timer, your flow reverser will begin to switch back and forth. This one's set on every hour. You can see mode D, range H, which is hours, and then the scale, you can turn this so that the numbers in the squares here change. We recommend having it on hours, and 1 hour, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. We recommend running everything so that it switches back and forth every hour.